In today's video, I am going to show you how I wash my berries and store them in the fridge for later. Hi, I'm Laura, and if you're just learning how to cook, I share quick videos like this one all the time. Subscribe for more. Today, we're gonna wash some strawberries and blueberries, and to do that, you are gonna need some baking soda and some vinegar. I have white vinegar here, but even apple cider vinegar works too. Grab the biggest bowl that you have in your kitchen. It could even be a large pot, and you're gonna fill that up with cold water. Next, you're going to add your berries in the bowl. As you can see, the strawberries still have the stem on them. That's because you want to wash all your berries before you cut them. First, I'm gonna add my baking soda in the water, and I'm just adding a few tablespoons, as you can see in there. Next, I am going to grab my vinegar and measure out about a cup. I do about a cup per big bowl. You don't need precise measurements. It's just about getting the vinegar in the water with the baking soda, and as you can see, it's starting to react, and you can see the fizz in the water, and I'm just swishing them around like this. This helps release any dirt or bacteria trapped in the strawberries. And with just that step, take a look at all the dirt that came out from the strawberries and the blueberries. It's crazy, right? Then I'm just gonna drain out the water directly in the sink and refill that same bowl with more clean, cold water. I'm gonna swish the berries around, again, to kind of give them a good rinse and keep releasing any dirt trapped in there, and then drain the water out. I do this about 2 to 3 times just to get everything really clean, and then after that, I'm going to remove the strawberries and the blueberries onto a clean kitchen towel. This is key, to dry them really well before you store them. You can let them sit on the counter for about 20 minutes or so and let them air dry, or press them between paper towels. I just use a kitchen towel, one at the bottom and another one on top, and gently roll them to kind of like dry them out, and I wait about 10 minutes. Well, there's lots of containers to keep your produce longer in the fridge. Today, I'm just using the same containers that the berries came in. And what's important is to give these a good, clean rinse as well. So I'm taking a little bit of dish soap and washing the inside out. And then I just give it a rinse. These containers get dry as well. The next step is I just take a paper towel and place it at the bottom of each container so it absorbs any leftover moisture. And I take my berries and put them back in there. And all I have to do is close the containers, and these guys are ready to go in the fridge. Let me know in the comments below, how dirty was your water? Were you shocked? And if you enjoy videos like this one, watch this one next. See you next time.